Assalamu alaikum class. I am your computer teacher Mehak Nazir. Hope you are fine. We were on chapter number 2, data devices, talking about types of memory. This is page number 18, read-only memory. ROM is a memory from which usually the information can only be read. As from the name ROM, read-only memory, you can easily understand. You can only read the memory. You cannot write as in primary memory. Here, data cannot be written to it. It can only be read. It is a very fast type of computer memory which is usually installed close to the CPU on the motherboard. Now, ROM is a type of non-volatile memory. As we have talked earlier, RAM is volatile memory. Now, it means that data stored in ROM persists in the memory even it receives no power. Now you can have the difference of ROM and RAM, that in that RAM you can lose your data when the computer is switched off. Here it is alternate. If even there is no power, you can have your data. When a computer is turned on, the CPU can begin reading information stored in ROM without the need for drivers or other complex software to help to communicate. Right? Now we have here the types of ROM and what are they, you can see in this table, but I'll explain you in detail so you can easily understand. There are 3 types of ROMs: programmable read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory, and electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. We will discuss the difference between them. What are they? First type is PROM. That stands for programmable read-only memory, and it is different from true ROM in that while a ROM is programmed, during processing information cannot be changed once it is recorded. Right? Now, what is EEPROM? EEPROM stands for erasable programmable read-only memory. Data stored in EEPROM can be erased and the EEPROM can be reprogrammed. Erasing an EEPROM involves removing it from the computer and exposing it to ultraviolet light before reburning it. Right? It can be erased using that ultraviolet lights. Right? You can remove your data from this computer. Right? Now, what is EEPROM? That is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Difference between EEPROM and EEPROM is that data later can be erased and written it to by the computer system it is installed in it. It is not strictly read-only memory. In many cases, it write process very slow. So it only done to update programs. इसमें हम programs को update कर सकते हैं. और इसमें जो है क्या कहते हैं, जो प्रोग्राम्स हैं वो इलेक्ट्रिकली सिग्नल से अरेज होते हैं एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इन इट यूजिंग सम प्रोसेस which we will discuss later. Right? This is all for ROM today. We have done with what is ROM and their types, which are you can easily read from this table and can have difference between them. Okay class, Allah Hafiz.